Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm gonna film this temple right here, and this temple is pretty cool. There's actually a hair studio here, and then yeah, this whole temple is like there's a name for it, and it's pretty well known. So and this street right here, there's some people playing mahjong, I think, and I just had to go down to this one, this tomato Portuguese food restaurant, talk to them a little bit, and I'll show you this temple inside and the street a little bit as well. So it's just getting to be evening time, so I like that incense. It's a bit hard to see in the nighttime, but yeah, it'd be better in the daytime, but it is what it is. And sometimes it's interesting to see things at nighttime anyways, especially when you look at that view right there, right? Yeah, I always see, I've taken some pretty cool pictures right in this area before. So yeah, so this is a little temple right here, and yeah, it actually goes all the way through, and basically it's like this spot right here. So okay, I think I'm going to walk down the street a little bit. And actually this street is kind of cool too. Like, look at those, photogenically speaking, it's a pretty cool spot. So you got the buildings like kind of light blue. And let's just see. So there you go. We're gonna walk straight down. Oops, this is kind of cool too. Yeah, I've always liked this street. It's very attractive, even when you see it from down below. Yeah, it looks just as good in photos as it does in person as it does in video. Calçada. And right over there is Lisboa. Okay. Yeah, and actually I've always noticed this too, this kind of cool looking building as well. All right. So now we just saw that one. Another element of Macau. Getting all this film, so and there's a teatro theater right there. This is from down below, so as soon as you walk by the street and you look up there, it's like, oh, that's kind of cool. But yeah, that's it right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.